guys, welcome back to Susan Hira YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss mathematics progression test, stage 5 paper 2, practice quiz with question and answer, and also clear explanation. This question is taken from Cambridge Primary Past Paper 2018 with the code M/S5/02. Now let's get started. Oh yes, before we start, if you follow this video through the very end, at the end screen of the video will display to you the full page of the question, the past paper, and you can take a screenshot and save in your computer, or you want to print it out and doing this quiz with that paper is also possible. And each question you'll be given time interval before the answer is revealed, so you may pause the video if you have not finished counting and get your answer. Now let's get started. Question 1. Draw a line to join each digital clock to an analog clock that shows the same time. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's check the answer. So 5:50 is this one. You can see it's 10 minutes before 6. 17:05 is 5 past 5 minutes. This is 24 hours clock. 16:00 is 4 p.m. So this is 4 p.m. Well, let's move on. Question 2. Write these numbers in order from smallest to largest.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, if you're not finished, you may pause this video. Now let's reveal the answer. So it starts from 3.09, 3.14, 3.25, 3.41, and 3.90. The idea to this is easy. We just compare the number. Since the ones place, unit in one place is the same, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3, that we compare the next digit, which is after decimal place. That is 4. So this is 4, and this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 0. So 4, 1, 2, 0, 9. Start with the smallest. Smallest is 0. So this should go first. After 0, it goes to 1. So this goes second. After 1, it goes to 2. So this goes the third. After 2, it goes to 4. So this goes the next, and the last is 9. That's how we got the answer. Next, draw all the lines of symmetry on this regular hexagon.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So you got your answer? Let's check it out. Okay, we have all lines of symmetry, the red line. Hence this line, when we fold along this line, we'll get two identical shapes. Even if we fold along this blue line, we'll get two identical shapes that overlapping, the right and the left. If we fold along this green line, we'll get two identical shape, that is this shape and this shape, with perfectly overlapping. That's why these are all the lines in red, in blue, and in green. Let's move on to next question, number 4. Joseph asked his friends to vote for their favorite flavor of crisps. Their tally chart shows their votes: flavor, plain, cheese and onion, salt and vinegar. Number of friends is given in the table, and how many friends did Joseph ask all together?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So the answer is 33 friends. If you got the same answer, then you may skip this explanation. If not, here is how we got 33. So for the plane, we got, this is 5 plus 5 plus 2, we got 12. For cheese and onion, we got 5 plus 1, that is 6. For salt and vinegar, we got 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. Now we can add this all together. It becomes 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 15 is 33. That's how we got 33. Let's move on. Next, still number 4, that is question B. Tick the pictogram that correctly shows the information in the tally chart. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's reveal the answer. We take this one. Here is how it's explained. So for the plain one, the reason why we choose this one is plain one, we got 1 square represents 4, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Next, cheese and onion, 4 plus a half of a square is 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, for salt and vinegar, 4 plus 4 plus 4 and 3/4 over 4, it means it's 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 is 15. So it matches with the diagram, the tally chart, 12, 6 and 15. The reason we reject this first one is as this icon represents 2 friends. So salt and vinegar 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. While this one should be 15. That is why this is wrong and rejected. Next, this one smile represents 1 friend. So if we count 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is not 11, it should be 12. That is the reason we reject this one. And the next one, pentagon represents 5 friends. For cheese and onion, this is 5 plus 2 parts of the pentagon, that is 2, equals to 7. While from the tally chart, it is 6. So we hope it's clear. If you have any question, please feel free to write down in the comment section in Susan Lira YouTube channel. We will reply to you with another explanation to make you clear and understand more and better in math. Because that's why we are there and provide this video. Next. Question 5. Draw a line to match each circle fraction to an equivalent fraction. One has been done for you. Draw a line.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So here's the answer. You may pause if you have not finished. So we draw 1 over 2 to 4 over 8, 1 over 3 to 2 over 6, and 1 over 5 to 2 over 10. You got that correct? If you're right, then you got 2 points. Congratulations. So here is how it works. 1 over 2 to 4 over 8 for this one. Actually, 1 over 2 go to 4 over 8. What we have to do is we times this one with 4, we times this with 4. So for a fraction, we can times the top and bottom with same number to make an equivalent fraction. So that's how we got 4 over 8. So this one is correct. The same apply to this one, 1 over 3. how do we convert into 2 over 6 is 1 we times 2 to get 2 and 3 times 2. As long as is the same number, we will get an equivalent fraction of 1 over 3 is equivalent to 2 over 6. While the last one, 1 over 5, is equivalent to 2 over 10. How do we get that? 1 to go to 2, we have to times by 2. So the bottom, we have to times with the same number, 2. And that's how we got 10. So 1 over 5 is equivalent to 2 over 10. Let's move on. So next question. Question number 6. Here's a number pattern. Write the missing numbers in each box. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's review the answer. So this is the answer. If you get confused how it works, here is the explanation. So from this 10, to get the previous number, we have to add the previous number with 7. And so we work out from here. So 10 something, a number, add 7 to get 10. So from 10, we move 7 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go, we reach 3. And before 3, there's a number, add 7 to get 3. So from 2, we move again 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is negative 4. So that's how we got these two numbers. And for 24, we got 17. And at 7, we move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how we got 24. Now let's move on. Okay. Now Savia's book has 136 pages. She has read 1 over 8 of it. How many pages has she read?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check the answer. So it's 17. Here's how it works. 1 over 8 of it's shown that the pages of the book is 136. Now it's equal to 17. Apparently this paper you may use calculator, so you can easily count this 136 divided by 8, you got 17. And this, if you count manually, this is how it works. 136 divided by 8 is, we get 13. 13 divided by 8 is 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Subtract 13 minus 8 is 5. And you put down the next digit 6. 8 times 7 is 56. Let's move on. Question 8. Here are 5 calculation cards. Draw a line to join 2 cards that have a total of 750.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, if you have not finished, you may pause this video. We will show the answer now. So the answer is we join this line with this box. The line, this box with this box. So here's the trick. The first box is 45 times 41. If we estimate 40 times 40 is 1600, because 4 times 4 is 16 and we get 2 zeros, so it should be 1600. That is the trick. While the instruction says draw a line to join 2 cards that have a total of 750, so this is definitely much more than 750. This will not be the answer for sure. We cross out this one. What about 1, 2, 3, 4 box? Now we have to count manual with calculator. Will be faster, as this paper calculator is allowed. We got this one 455, this one 330, this one 420, and this one is 375, and we have to get a total of 750. So we try to join the 0 and 0 because 0 and 0 will give us the ending of 0. So let's calculate. 330 plus 420 is 750. That is our answers. Next, let's move on. Question 9. Here's a triangle on a coordinate grid. Question: the triangle is translated 3 squares to the right and 1 square down. Draw the triangle in its new position.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's review the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video, or if you have paper printed out, you can do on a paper. So first we have to translate 3 squares to the right for each. So this point we choose, this point, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 1 square down, so we move 1 down. Here we go, from this. Now we get this point. And the rest is just, we follow according to the pictures. So we have 1, 2, 3 down, so we make 1, 2, 3 down, and then 1, 2 left, and we make 1, 2 left. So we have these 3 coordinate, we just have to connect them to get the answer. Alright, that will be our answer. Next, let's move on. Number 10, the most likely mass of the baby.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So it's an easy question. This is the answer. Baby will be about 2.3 kilogram. 233 will be as heavy as an elephant. 0.23 will be very light. 23 grams is so much smaller. Next, question 11. Student in year 5 keep a record of the playground temperature. They plot their result, temperature versus time from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. How many readings are recorded?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's reveal the answer. It's 5, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 temperatures recorded. Next, use the graph to estimate the temperature at 1:30 p.m. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's reveal the answer between 1:30 p.m. The answer is 13 degrees Celsius. Here is how we got 13 degrees Celsius at 1:30. So between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. 1:30 is just in the middle line. So if we connect this one and we plot the graph going up, that will be approximately the middle point between these two. While this one is 16 degree, while this one is 10 degree. So the middle point is the mid number between 10 and 16. So between 10 and 16, you can get by 10 plus 16 over 2, which is 26 over 2, which is equals to 13. That's how we got our answer. We'll move on to next question. Question 12. Draw arrows down to show the positions of -3 and 1.5 on the number line.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's check the answer. Negative 3 is somewhere here because this is negative 5, negative 4, negative 3. And 1.5 is 0, 1, and 2. Between 1 and 2 is 1.5. We hope it's clear. Next, move on to question 13. Here are four numbers: 60,000, 136, 306,000 and 16, 631,600, 100,663. Write these numbers in the boxes to make the statement correct.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's review the answer. So we got 631, 600, because these are 6 digit. Next is 300,000 and something, and next is 100,000, and the last is 60,000. So this is 5 digit. This is 6 digit, 6 digit, 6 digit. So we start from this 3 first, and since it has the same number of digits, we see from the first number, which is 100,000 place. 3, 6, and 1. The greatest is 6, so we start with 6. And next is 3, so we next move to 3, and next is 1. And next is 60,000, which is only 5 digits. So let's move on to next question. So this is question number 13. Next is question number 14. Bessie and Pierre each choose a decimal. They round their decimal to the nearest whole number. Tick the box where their whole numbers are the same.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's reveal the answer. If you're not finished, you please pause this video. And we got this one. The reason we got this one is 4.5. This is 5. So we have to round off to 5. This is 5.4. This is 4 less than 5. So we run this down to 5. That's how we got this as the answer. While this one, this is 2.3 less than 5. So it should round off to 2. While this is less than 5, we also should ignore this and we should round off to 3. So this is not the same. This one, 3.4, we round off to 3 because 4 is less than 5. Same, 3 is less than 5, so we round off this to 4 only, we ignore 3. This one is 6. 6 is more than 5, so we round this up to, not 5, to 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is also 5, it means we add 1 to 6, so we round this off to 7. So 6 and 7, they are not the same. That is the reason we choose this as our answer. Next. Question 15. The mass of watermelon is shown on this scale. The mass of a potato is shown on the scale. What is the difference in mass between the watermelon and the potato? Show your working.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's review the answer. The answer is 2275 because the mass of watermelon here is 3600. How do we know? So we have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 5, sorry. So we erase this one. Again with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 2000 and 3000, the interval is 1000. divided by 5 small steps is 200. So each step is 200. So 2000, going here 2200, 2400, and that's how we got 2600. The same for this one, potato 300 to 400, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. 4 steps. And the interval is from 300 to 400 is 100. So 1 steps equals to 100 divided by 4, which is equals to 25. So this is only 1 step, so 325. This will be 325. And 325. So we subtract because we have to find the difference. So this 325, this is 2600 minus, we got 2275. That's how we got the answer. Let's move. Question 16. Use one of these words to complete each sentence. Always, sometimes, never. Whole numbers ending in 5 can blank be divided exactly by 2. Whole numbers ending in 0 can blank be divided exactly by 5. Whole numbers ending in 5 can blank be divided exactly by 10. Whole numbers ending in 0 can blank be divided exactly by 100. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you got the answer? If you haven't, you may pause this video. Now let's reveal the answer. So the answer is never, always, never, sometimes. Let's check it out one by one. Whole numbers ending in 5 can never be divided exactly by 2. The reason is only even numbers. That number end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is divisible by 2. 5 is an odd number, so the answer is never. Next. Whole numbers ending in 0 can always be divided exactly by 5. So a number is divisible by 5 only if the unit digit is 0 or 5. So it is 0. So this fits the rule, divisibility rule. Next. Whole numbers ending in 5 can never be divided exactly by 10. The reason is the last digit must be 0, so that number is divisible by 10. So 5 cannot be divided exactly by 10. The last one, whole numbers ending in 0 can sometimes be divided exactly by 100. Why is it so? So whole numbers ending in 0 can be 0, 10, 20, 30, 100, or 110, or any number ending in 0. Now, if 110, let's take, divided by 100, it will not give us a whole number. So it means it is not able to be divided by 100 exactly. But 200 can be divided exactly by 100, that is 2. So that is the reason we put sometimes in here. Angelic knows 3, 5, 4 times 4 is 1416. Explain how she uses this fact to calculate 3, 5, 4 times 12. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's reveal the answer. Since 12 is equal to 4 times 3, she can multiply 1416 by 3 to get that 12, which is equals to 4248. So this you can use calculator easily because this paper calculator is allowed. Let's move on to the next question. Question 18. Rajiv makes two function machines A and B to give the same results. Machine A int times 25 out. Machine B int times 100 divided by a number out. So question, complete machine B, 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's reveal the answer. It's 4 because 25 is 100 divided by 4. Next, B, calculate 81 times 25 using machine B. You must show all your working. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's check the answer. It's 2025. 2025. So here's the explanation. 81 times 25 using machine B. So in machine B, a number input should be times by 100, that is 8100. And after that, it should be divided by 4, that is 2025. You can count this easily with calculator. Next, we move on to 19. Draw a ring around the answer to 27 over 5. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. We check the answer. It's 5, 2 over 5. So this is easy since 27 divided by 5. 5 times 5, we got 25. Subtract 7 times minus 5, we got 2, and then this is the remainders in the small. So 5, we put 2 up, so 5, 2, and over the divider 5. That's how we got the answers. Move on. Okay, let's see next question 20. Here's a number sequence. It continues in the same way. Write the missing number in the boxes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Let's check out 1 and 32. How do we got that? If you see the pattern, 2 to 4 is times 2, 4 to 8 times 2, 8 to 16 times 2, so this must be times 2. This is how we got the pattern. 16 times 2 is 32. And a number times 2 get 2, so this must be 1. That's how we got the answer. Okay, let's move on, guys. 21. Here are 4 measurements: half meter, 8 cm, 0.9 meter, 40 cm. Write these measurements in order of size from shortest to longest.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's reveal the answer. Got 8 cm plus 40 cm, half meter, 0.9. So here's how it works. To compare, we have to make all the units same. So the smallest is cm. So from 1 meter to go to cm is we have to times by 100. So 0.9 times 100 is equals to we move 1, 2 because this is 2 zeros, so 90 cm. So this is as good as 90 cm. This remain 40 cm. This remain 8 cm. Now we got almost all in cm. Then this is the meter. We times half times 100 to make into cm. 2 and 100 simplify by 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 1 times 50 is 50. So this is as good as 50 cm. Now shortest will be smallest 8 followed by 40 cm and 50 cm. 50 cm we have to write the original question half meter. We don't write 50 cm in here, it will be wrong. So it should be half meter, and the next is 90 cm. The original is 0.9 meter. So that will be our answer. Next, 22, guys. Reflect the shape in the mirror line.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you have this paper printout. You can do on a piece of paper that you have print out. At the end screen, we provide the question that you can screenshot. And this is the answer. Here we go. If we got this correct, you score 1 mark. Now, how do we got this, by the way? So, reflection, it means this is the mirror line. The distance of the point from the image to the mirror line, this is 2. So it means to get reflected point, we also have to move 1, 2. That's how we got this point. The same apply for this one. So we got this point, we connect this one, this line. And this one is 1, 2, 3 from the mirror line. So we make 1, 2, 3 to get this point. Then we connect this and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we also make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got this point, and we connect, this the last. So this is how it works. Alright, if you have any question regarding reflection, please write in the comment section. We'll reply to you with another video to make you understand more in math. Let's move on to question 23. Gabriela draws a bar line chart for the number of goals scored in 50 football matches. The bar line for 3 goals scored is missing. Complete the bar line charts.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So here is the answer. Goes to here. This is going to 11. How do we got 11? So 3 goals is 11, the frequency. So first we have the data is 6 and A 16 to collect the data, the frequency. This is 13 we got here. So 6 plus 16 plus 13 we put here, and a question mark and a 4 here. 4, this is go to 4 here, and add up to 50. This all 50. So we add this one, 6 plus 16 plus 13 plus 4 is equal to 39 plus the question mark equals 15. So to get the question mark is 15 minus 39, which is equals to 11. That's how we got frequency of 11 for 3 goals. 11. So we put here. Next. And this is 11. Question B, write the mode for the number of goals scored. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's review the answer. The answer is 1, since number of goals 1 has the highest frequency, that is 16. Let's move on. Question 24. A farmer has 419 egg boxes hold 6 eggs. The farmer wants to put all the eggs into boxes. How many boxes will he need?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's check the answer. A farmer needs 70 boxes. 419 divided by 6 is 69. You can count this with calculator. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract, we got about 59. So 6 times 9 is 54. We get the remainder of 5. It cannot be fit in 69, so we have to extra 1 for the remainder of 5. So 70 boxes is needed. Next. So we have 69 remainder of 5, so 69 plus 1 is 70. This will be our answer. Next, 25. Anastasia is drawing a rectangle on a coordinate grid. She has plotted 3 of the vertices, 1, 2, 3, Write the coordinates of the fourth vertex. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So we have 3 by 0. That is our fourth point. This is the explanation. Plot 3 by 0. How do we got that? So if we connect this one, it's like this and like this. So the fourth will be somewhere here. And how do we get the fourth is, we see to get this one is 2 down, and 1, 2 to the left. So the same apply with this one, 2 down and 1, 2 to the left. So that is how we got 3 by 0. And if we connect the line, it will be like this. So here is our answer. Next, 26. Point A, B, C are marked on line. The distance from B to C is 3 times the distance from A to B. The distance from B to C is 45. What is the distance from A to C?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we got the answer. Let's reveal the answer. So it's 60. Here's how it works. 3 times distance of A to B, it means 3 unit to 1 unit, it's 45 cm. So we have 3 unit equals to 45 cm. It means to get 1 unit is 45 divided by 3, which is 15. And to get the distance from A to C, we just have to add 15 plus this is 45 plus 15 is 60. Let's move on. Mia says, I'm thinking of 3 odd numbers. They add up to 40. Jamila says that cannot be correct. Explain how Jamila knows this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Have you got the answer? So the sum of 3 odd numbers is odd, while 40 is an even number. Example, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So that's how Jamila knows that Mia is wrong. Next, let's move on to next number. 28. A square pond is dug in a square of grass. Calculate the area of the grass that is left. Show your working.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you have not finished, you may pause this video. Let's reveal the answer. It's 119. How do we got that? First, area of square pond is 5 times 5. Squares always have the same length. 5 times 5 is 25. And the area of a square of grass, this is the big square, is 12 by 12, which is 144. And next, its area of grass left is 144 minus 25, that is 119. Next, Oliver thinks of a square number between 40 and 100. He adds 4 to the number. The total is a multiple of 5. Which square number did he start with?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's reveal the answer. It's 81. Here's the explanation. Square number between 40 and 100 is 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81. Next, 49 plus 4 is 53, is not a multiple of 5. 64 plus 4 is 68, is not a multiple of 5. 81 plus 4 is 85. It ends with 5. Anything ends with 5 is a multiple of 5. Next. Question 30 is our last question. Yuri has 2 plum trees, A and B, in his garden. The tree produced 20 kilo of plums. Tree B produced 10% more than tree A. How many kilograms of plums in total does Yuri get from the trees? Show your working.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's review the answer. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So we have 42 kilogram. Here's how it works. A is 20 kilogram, B is 10 more than A. How to can 10 more than A is 10% times 20. So if we cross that, we got cross the 0 and cross the 0. So 1 times 2 is 2. Next, 20 plus 2 is 22. Problem B is 22 now. Then the total, so we just add it up. 22 plus 20 is 22. So today we have discussed mathematics progression test stage 5 M/S5/02 is paper 2. All the questions taken from past paper 2018 with question and answer is for stage 5. And don't forget to check links in the description. You'll find all other useful links for past paper from grade 3 up to grade 12. And subscribe and ring bells as we keep updating our resources. For past paper for all grades, the most updated and recent past paper including the 2022 past paper. Like and share to anybody who might who might need this because it is absolutely free. Subscription is free. Just click the subscribe button. We provide free discussion for checkpoint paper and all other past papers. I'll see you in the next video in Susan YouTube channel. Bye bye, and we hope today's discussion will be helpful to you. So today we have discussed the past paper conducted by Study with Tuition Online. We cater for all these subjects and all these syllabus. And please join with us online tuition with affordable price. Email us, and if you have any unsolved past paper, we can see what we can do for you. Send us email, write down the comment in the comment section, ring the bells, and subscribe. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. We hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you. At the end screen, you will find the full screen of past paper, which you can take a screenshot. Please continue to watch this video till the end. Bye bye, and God bless you. So here is the full page of the Cambridge Primary Progression Test Mathematics Paper 2 Stage 5. You may take a screenshot if you like to and save in your computer or print it out while doing this quiz. So this is the first page. This is from 2018. For this paper, calculator is allowed. For paper 2 only, total mark is 40. You may bring ruler and tracing paper on the day of exam. Now, this is question number 1. Page 2, question number 1. You take a screenshot. This is question number 2 and 3. Here we go, question number 4, A and B. Let me zoom out the whole page of question number 4. And this is the zoom in part of number 4 and 4A. And here we go, this is 4B. This is 4B, and let's move on to question number 5. Number 5 and number 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Here we go. Question 8, page 5. Question 9. Let me zoom out. This is question 9. Alright, next question 10, page 6. Question 10, question 11. Question 11. Next, this is 11A. We move on to 11B. 11A and B is displayed here. Next, we move on to question 12. question 12, question 13, and followed by question 14, and this is question 15. This is still part of 15. Question 15. Question 15. This is question 16. Here we go, question 17, 18, 18A and 18B. Here we go, 18A and B, and then 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let me zoom out. 23A and 23. This is 23B. And let's move on to question 24 and 25. 25 and question 26, 26, 27, 28, 28, 28 and 29, 29, and let's move on to question 30. This is 30, that is the last. So if you have taken screenshots, have in your computer, you may print it out and have your child or student too practice them out. Bye bye, see you in the next video. God bless you.